Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So here I have a pet that is working. Chiclet, Datasette. Here I have one that is obviously not. I've had them both on for a bit just to see if anything makes any difference. I will turn this off. I will turn it on. And it looks much the same. It does. Now there is also a chance that there could be ROM trouble, not RAM trouble, but we'll see. I'm going to turn this one off. Hello. There we go. We're off. We're off. We're both off. We're both opening up. Oh, yeah. Ooh, what do we got here? We are a little bit too close here. There we go. Okay, so we're up. And we're up. I think what I'm going to do first, I think first, I'm going to find, I had my very fine chip puller that Al Payne gave me at last year's World of Commodore. And I had it right here. Oh dear. What have I done? Oh, I was tidying. Oh. Tidying is a beautiful thing. Unless you need something. I'm sure I left it out. Oh, I see it. Scratch that. Excuse me. Okay. It's right back here. Oh, yeah. Right here. Oh. Oh, yes. And right here are my funky glasses that are now somewhat dirty. Because once you touch the lenses, well, you know. Okay. So, the idea here is, much as before, I'm going to take this RAM chip out. This would be the one on the left side of the screen RAM. And set it down. And then I'm going to take the screen RAM out on the left side. Put it down over here, keep it separate. Double checking, yes. The witness mark is good. See, here's the thing about all this. There could be all kinds of bad things in here. I'm hoping that that is not the case. I don't know if that felt like it went in well or not. I think it did. Let's turn this on. Okay, so it comes up and it still says Commodore Basic 7,167 bytes free. That is encouraging. So I will turn it off. I will take this one. Which is the one on the right side. I will keep all these chips separate. And in the same configuration. I shall. Because if this comes up okay, and I'm thinking it's going to, but I don't know. I just think it will. I will turn it on. Aha! 7,167 bytes free. So that would mean that those two RAM chips are okay. Now, are dusty. Dusty, 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 dusty. Now I'm hoping that what we have here are the same ROMs, but I don't know. I just don't know. That is why. Well, I will put on this flashlight. It will lift the lenses into an upward configuration, and I will try and read these. After rubbing off the dust. MPS 6530-018. Okay, MPS. Okay, so the ROMs. Hello, hello. Should be compatible. So both machines are off, and typically I would start at one end or the other and work my way down, but because that's what I normally do, I'm going to do something different. Will it make any difference? I don't know. Machine is off. I'm going to go for the middle chip. Why? Well, what the heck. So this 65 40 0 1 6. I will put that down. I will pull out the middle chip. I will look at it. Oh man. It is so hard to see. But I think it says the same. One never knows. Somebody might have put something else in just to fill it up if they wanted to have it look full. All right. One ROM in. Turn on the machine. The machine still makes its noise. Aha. Okay. Now, hang on. Once in a while, this machine. Hello. Hello. Once in a while, this machine needs a little tappity tap tap tap. All right, but this is not the case in this one. So that ROM chip appears to be bad. Now I'm going to take it. Oh, hang on. It is always possible. Oh, it's possible that maybe I didn't have it quite lined up just so. See, that's when these glasses. See, these glasses are good for up close, but for farther away distances, not necessarily. Let's try that again. It comes up. Okay, so middle ROM. Now I'll go for the. I'm going to go for one that's 2 away from there. Why? I don't know. It always just, you know what? It doesn't matter. What's going to happen is I'm going to get there. Hello. Oh, come on. I'm going to get there. No matter how I do this, if there's one bad one out of the 7, it's going to be the last one. I know it. Okay, so we'll take this one out. We'll set it down in its position, and we'll check the pins, and we'll do better at getting it in properly this time. It is in properly. We will turn it on, and up it comes. All right, well, I'll now pop out the 6th, going from the left. Why? Well, there's no good reason. And I will set them out and separate them accordingly. I will check the pins. I will put this in, and I will turn it on. And it comes up just fine. So there's 4 left. So, just for fun, because I can, I'm going to do the one on the very left, which is the first one that I normally would have done, but I didn't. I did not. Right, put that down there in its configuration. Checking the pins. We're all good. We're all good. Turn it on. And it comes up just fine. All right. Well, now let's take the very last chip on the end here. There's still 2 more after this. Set it down. Turn this off. No matter what, it's going to be the last one. If it is, in fact, one of these. I'll put this in its configuration. Making sure we don't get anything out of place. We'll take this one, checking the pins, checking the witness mark, and we'll pop it in. And turn it on. It's still making all the right noises. And it comes up just fine. Oh, you know what I should do, though? I forgot. One time. Oh, it comes up okay. I should have been pressing return more. So I did have, I remember I was testing a ROM thing at one point, and it seemed to be okay, but then it really wasn't once I tried to do something. Because once the machine can come up and look fine, but it doesn't necessarily mean it is fine. Okay, so we're turned off. Checking the pins. Checking the pins. Set that over here. Set that over there. Okay. Line her up. Whoa, that is not happy. But we are lined up. I had this chip did have a bit of a tougher time coming out. Okay, what's going on here? What's happening here? Like it looks okay. Okay, we're in. Turn it on. And it's just fine. Okay. I'll turn it off. Okay, one more ROM to go. This would be the 3rd one from the left. Does that look okay? It looks for a second like perhaps one pin. Oh, Guess it's okay. Turn it on. Oh, I don't think I heard the sound. Oh, I guess I did. Turn that off. Did I hear the tape drive? I did. Okay. Well, so we have changed RAM chips, 2 of them, the screen RAM chips, and all the ROMs. And so far, we have found nothing bad. So, I will turn this off. And I shall ponder. So thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. We'll see what's what. Thankfully, all the major chips in these machines are socketed. So we got a whole bunch of RAM. And it looks like now there would be 1, 2, 5 other possible big chips besides the RAM. And then if it's something more subtle, well, then it is. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll see you again. Bye for now.